This morning, one of the tasks that I have planned to do is to plant some strawberries that I got in the mail yesterday from Park Seed. I really love this company, and this is their information, Park Seed. I mean, it gives you directions on how to plant whatever it is that they're sending you. And so, you know, it tells you about roses to do 24 for 48 hours, but other bare roots for only 15 to 30 minutes before planting. So I have strawberries, and I'm going to open them up. And this is the type that I got. Okay. Eversweet, and there's 25 in there. And I have this rainwater that was collecting here outside on the back patio area. So I'm just going to dump these strawberries in there. You can see there's some greenery already on it. I'm gonna take this rubber band off. All right. Okay, these are some weeds that I picked. Tulip leaf that bit the dust. So yeah, these are the strawberries, the bare roots that I got today, and I'm gonna just separate them all as best I can. And let them get a good soak. Alright guys, so that's one of the things that I'm doing today. Alright, as I said, I'll update you as I go along. Alright, I'm going to do the strawberry tower that I told you guys about, that I was going to be planting today. Here I have some twigs and some leftover leaves that I'm going to be using in the bottom. I have some busted bags of topsoil that I got from Lowe's, and I have this like the real sign is on the label is on the front, but I can't get to that. But it's some organic garden soil that I have here that I'm going to be filling it up with. And here's where I'm going to plant my strawberries. I saw Bull from Bull's Garden, and he made a very nice, you know, an elaborate one where he did layers of soil and leaves and soil and leaves, and he planted the strawberries. He had like maybe like a cattle panel that he made into a circle. I'm sure many of you follow him and you've probably already seen this. And he puts flowers or lettuce, I believe, in the top. So I'm going to attempt that with my laundry basket that I have here. All right, I will update you once it's done. All right. All right, I'm having the strawberries here. I'm having a whole root detangling session. So here's what I'm doing. Taking off any dead, or what I'm determining to be not worth keeping on, and just spreading out the roots and then putting it back in the water. And I'm just, you know, taking the time to assess and see what I have here before I plant them. Some of them are kind of puny, but that's okay. Like this. It's like a whole tangly mess, but that's okay. I will detangle her. All right, so that's what I'll be doing for the next few minutes. Okay guys, for this part, I thought I would do a voiceover because it was really windy on this day. And at this point, I've already filled the container and I've planted the strawberries. You can't really see that, but they're on the outside all along around the laundry basket. And here in the top, I'm putting in some romaine lettuce. I put some marigolds, a couple of kale seedlings that I had, and 2 spinach seedlings. So that's what I ended up doing in the container. So yeah, hopefully it'll work out and I'll be able to come back in a later video to give you guys an update on exactly how my strawberry tower went down.